In this first video of the series, we'll understand what MetaSound is, and we'll have a closer look on its interface, its main features, and the pin types. So without further ado, let's play the intro. MetaSound is a high-level DSP environment that uses nodes to generate high-performance audio systems. You can think of it as a modular synthesizer with inputs, outputs, and in between a bunch of cool modules like audio generators, effects, or dynamic processors, and so on. Pin colors play a key role in understanding how to connect each node inside MetaSound. So let's have a closer look at all the pin types. White is used for triggers, while pink it represents audio signals. Time, which by default uses seconds as time unit, is colored in light blue. For the following colors, you'll find them pretty familiar if you're used to work in Blueprint. We have green for float numbers, teal for integers, bool are colored in red, and U objects in blue. This one represents a U-Sound wave class, and they are mainly used to provide a reference to the audio asset you want to play. Finally, we have fuchsia for strings, which are used for debug only. One of the biggest improvements to the Unreal 5 audio system is that MetaSound works with sample-accurate timing. What I mean by that is when a MetaSound node is triggered through gunplay events, it will execute on a precise sample index in the rendered buffer, which quite frankly is a huge plus. By default, MetaSound has a trigger input called onPlay, 2 audio outputs, and a trigger out called onFinished. This is the standard configuration, but of course you can expand it according to all your needs. Hopefully this video was helpful for you. If so, I invite you to give a like and subscribe to the channel. In the next episode, we'll see how to start and stop a MetaSound from Blueprint. So let's stay tuned. As always, thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.